Good Wednesday morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Today we wake up to some snow showers in the area. Very, very light, very sparse activity. Here's a look outside from our Guelph Group camera. This is from CC Heights. Just a little bit ago we had the little snowflakes fluttering down, even a couple of sprinkles on the camera lens. You see maybe just a little bit of that still on the lens right now, but things are quieting down this morning. We're going to have clouds, then sunshine by mid-morning. Give it a couple of hours. It's just a couple of minutes after 7:30 this morning as we kick off the day on an unsettled note, and it's a pattern that's going to bring these snow shower chances to the overnight hours the next couple of nights. Daytime hours actually look fairly quiet right now all the way through the middle of next week, but at night each instance will bring us at least a chance of some very minor accumulation in the way of snowfall. But right now, a quieter looking day. Beyond this, just a little chilly. Temperatures actually look pretty decent, though. We're going to be enjoying at least some sunshine, but look at these winds at 16 to 18 miles per hour this morning. Maybe not quite as breezy this afternoon. High temperatures will be around 34 with wind chill levels mainly in the teens and low 20s. So definitely a breezy, colder feeling day, but really not a bad day though overall. Snowflakes, we may see a few of those until about 8:30, 9 o'clock, but not too many of those beyond that with sunset at 5:52 coming up this afternoon. Wind chill forecast, we start seeing mid-20s. That is about it though. Temperatures themselves in the mid and maybe even upper 30s this afternoon. It won't quite feel that warm because of those 15-mile-per-hour winds throughout the day. Here's a look at the situation right now in Rochester. Again, at the 7 o'clock hour, it's 32. Feels like 20 of those winds northwest, 21 miles per hour. So that is definitely as breezy as anything we've had so far this work week anyway. The last couple of days have been rather mild. As we know, we were in the upper 30s, 39 on Monday, 38 yesterday. Today, we're going to be in the mid-30s. Right now it's 32 in Rochester, 34 in Winona, 28 in Osage, and 32 in Mason City. From here, again, we're looking at about 34, 35 for high temperature today. Some snow showers coming in. We see the remnants of this activity. At once, this was a fairly sizable batch of activity coming out of the Twin Cities around 5 o'clock this morning, but very little remains as it gets closer. That center of low pressure is pulling away to the north and east, so as it does so, this activity pushes south. It kind of fizzles out and dies out as it loses its energy source as it's pulling away. So future track looking at some snow showers for the next couple of hours, then sunshine across our area, a breezy northwest situation with those brisk northwest winds. Keeping the wind chill in the low 20s. Tonight, we'll have some starlight to start, but here comes a little very minor disturbance coming out of the northwest, and it comes in between 2 and 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, just before sunrise. And we're looking at a trace of snow, at most maybe a tenth of an inch, just that much snowfall. Very late tonight. Tomorrow, skies will clear off in the mid-morning hours. We'll have increasing sunshine, a lighter breeze out of the west. Daytime temperatures tomorrow just a little bit colder yet, mainly low 30s, still close to the freezing mark, and then heading into Friday, more of a southerly wind, and that's going to pick up quite a bit, looking at gusts to 35 miles per hour ahead of a storm system coming out of the northern plains. That will eventually bring another chance of light snow, you guessed it, in the late evening and overnight hours Friday night, and it looks like this time around, Friday night, we could see as much as an inch of snow out of that system. And the one on Saturday night that comes in maybe just around midnight or a little later, that may bring as much as half inch to an inch of snow there as well. So small nuisance events, they're all in the night, and there are 3 more of them headed our way between now and Sunday. Look for highs today around 34 in Rochester, 33 Mason City. Partly sunny sky with a brisk breeze, 34 the expected high. For tonight, look for some snow showers late, 21 with partly cloudy skies. And tomorrow, some cool sunshine, not as breezy as recent days, or as today anyway. Winds around 12 or 13 miles per hour, 31 your Thursday high. Friday, dry during the day, but evening snow. About 8 o'clock or so, we'll start seeing that snow develop as much as an inch by the overnight hours. 36 Friday as high with a gusty south wind. Saturday, still fairly breezy with, again, snow late in the evening, maybe even a little bit later than 8 o'clock Saturday night, with a chance of snow at this point, maybe half inch to an inch of snow there. And then Sunday, maybe a flurry or two early, otherwise a brisk breeze, partly sunny, 29, a little colder for Sunday. Here's a look at some of the snowfall amounts we're expecting tonight. Very little in the way of snowfall. Friday night, heading into Saturday morning. Futurecast, this is the GFS American model, trying to kick out maybe half an inch. I do think there's a chance as much as an inch. And then Saturday night, as much as another inch of snow. I think both of those events will be an inch or less. And then going into Sunday, at most a few flurries, will be drier than that. And then it looks like next week, fairly dry situation for a few days. There is a small chance to see that in the 7-day on Tuesday, but I think that system will stay south of us. Here's the European version of everything, and a lot less in the way of snowfall from the European computer model handling this with, again, less than an inch overall in all 3 minor snow events tonight, Friday night, and Saturday night. On Monday, we kick off meteorological spring with the first day of March, 25. That'll be the coldest day, ironically, but that is very typical. It happens a lot. And then looking at the rest of next week, a very small chance of snow. We put 10% on there for Tuesday. It's a pittance of probability, not much. And then Wednesday, upper 30s, we start seeing a shot at 40 by Thursday or Friday of next week. There looks to be maybe a rainier pattern developing with temperatures starting to see some 40s down the road. That'd be next Friday, Saturday and Sunday, the first weekend in March, as we start seeing more spring-like weather. Hopefully not too much rain. Of course, we still have a lot of snow cover, and that would not run off well. We could then have to worry about flood concerns and things like that. I don't think it looks like a huge event, but could be a couple of days of rain there at first weekend with those temperatures looking rather warm. We've been watching that Climate Prediction Center outlook for the longer term, and it does indicate at the end of next week and maybe the second week of March would suggest that we would see temperatures above average, meaning instead of 33, 34 degrees that span of time, it could be somewhere around 38 to 45 degrees, something like that. And that's what I think we'll be facing down the road after we get through this weekend and most of next week. So we're looking down the road a ways there, 10, 12 days away. In the meantime, have a great day today. Enjoy some of that sunshine once it comes back. Right now we're waiting for that. But have a great Wednesday. I'll see you back here tomorrow.